Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm so excited for this video. This has been my first video in quite a long time. In today's video I'll be discussing my journey into creating an amazing tool that anybody could use at any age. It's really useful, and without further ado, let's get started. So before we start, I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy it, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I drop a new banger. And let's get started. So with this, let me pull up my Visual Studio Code right here. I will leave a link to this in the description, both the source code and Visual Studio Code itself. So before I explain what it does, I'll explain what everything is. So basically, I'm using AI to detect when my hand is thumbs up, and once it detects my hand is thumbs up, what it will do is it will open a new window, in this case my YouTube channel, as you can see right over there, using the web browser Python library. And yeah, once again, I do have all the source code in the description. It's on my GitHub. Make sure to also follow me over there. And all this stuff, as you can see, it's using the OpenCV Python library and media pipe. Time is just so that we can have it sleep for a bit. So that's this right here, times.sleep. This I just added so that it doesn't, like if your thumbs is up for like 2 seconds, it will open like 200 pages or however many times it can detect it. It's really bad and actually crashes it a lot of the time. So I just put the sleep thing. It will sleep for 5 seconds before it, allows you to put your hand up again. And then if we also go ahead and check this out, what it will do is open up like a little kind of like Python app with your camera so that you can actually see. And then once again, when you put your thumb up, it will detect it and you can see all that. And it will also print, as we can see over here, will print when your thumb is up. As you can see during testing, it did print it here. Where is it? Printed it somewhere over here. Maybe it didn't save, I don't know. That's fine. So yeah, also before I show you it in the process of working, please make sure to leave any suggestions for videos down below. I am trying to keep these videos a little away from hacking for quite a bit, until my strikes get removed, because I did get YouTube strikes, which I don't think was fair. But it is what it is. Also, this is only for educational, ethical purposes only. Guys, listen to your parents. You shouldn't do this. This was just inspiration for my brother, who was watching videos and he got in trouble for watching videos instead of working. So yeah. So let's test it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to run it by running python.handgesture-recognition.py. So I'm gonna run that. And we should see it open right here. I'm covering my camera right now. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. You'll probably see this a little blurry because I don't want to show you what my house looks like. But so if we go here and give it a thumbs up, as we can see, it pops open my YouTube channel, which is very useful. And I'll just go ahead and end it right there. And you see it did print thumb is up, and it did freeze. I'm not sure if you saw that, but it did freeze for 5 seconds because we did put that time wait. So it does work with any other website. You could put like Duolingo here or something like that. But yeah, it is very useful. Now that's about it for today's video. Sorry it's a bit short. Once again, please make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. I also wanted to mention I do have a Patreon. I will be putting deleted videos, so like anything that gets deleted by YouTube or anything like that, bonus content and other stuff. So make sure to go ahead and join. I already have quite a few members, and yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.